This course is the culmination of about 8 years of planning and dreaming and scheming with Joe and the folks at Alpine Towers about how we could, with the space that we had, diversify the issues that we can address through specific types of elements. How can we fit it into a contained and confined space and maximize the efficiency? So we took an area that used to have 4 satellite elements that were individually dynamically belayed, and we put in 13 elements in the same space.
Our primary focus and mission is to serve Carolina's students, staff, and faculty, but about 25% of our programming is available to the public on a reservation basis. We routinely program for community groups in the area, so Boy Scouts, church groups, even corporate organizations come to us. The course, the way it's designed, it can run 50+ participants at the same time, provided I have enough facilitators to set up all the satellite elements. It's really versatile in that regard. I can run it for 5 people or I can run it for 50. Most programs you have 2 people going through the course together, working on each other's transfers, and their communication building and their problem solving, but just as a pair of people. And what really I find valuable about the Odyssey course is that you can take that connection, that depth of meaning, and extrapolate that into a much larger group where you have a bigger impact. When I came to Alpine looking to design a course together, it was with the intention of it being experiential education based. It was designed to be fun, active adventure with a learning emphasis. I've actually worked with Alpine a few times over the years and have really enjoyed the way that they handle the process. We start with a conversation about what's your dream, and we sort of tweaked what worked with that dream and what didn't fit. They came to my site, walked around with me, spent as much time as I wanted to spend talking about it. They genuinely cared and were interested in what my opinions were. They took into account what my needs were very specifically. I've been in challenge course industry for 15 years, and they took into account the knowledge and skills that I bring to the table. And as a programmer, that was instrumental to our design plan together, where they're builders, I'm a programmer. We combine our forces and we can really make something that's useful and long-lasting and impactful to people. This final design plan, it's sort of like a modified version of things that they build in other areas, but it's custom and very specific to our site. The Alpine Towers has been around the industry for a long time. They've been keeping up with the industry trends and standards and installation ideas. I just really like the way that they do business, and I appreciate the professionalism and the experience that they come from.